Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Xiaomi 4 Lite Air Purifier with the Xiaomi Smart Air Purifier 4, and I'm going to show you some important things regarding the spec that I found out. So first thing first, the coverage area. So when you can look here, the coverage area is much better for the 4, but it's like not that much. Then also the noise level is better for the 4 Lite, but again not much. Then the clean air delivery rate is better for the 4. Then the filtration efficiency is a tie. Then the filter type, smart control, voice control, everything here is a tie. Then you have better, for 4 you have better display, you have more modes, so you have also the low, medium, high there. And then you can have noise level in the night mode, so this is better for 4. Then also but the dimensions, it's smaller, the Lite is smaller, weight less, but the FCADR is better for 4. And then ionization, negative air ionization, this is something that you have for 4. This is something you don't have with 4 Lite, and this is a huge thing. So even when I'm just going to ionization, I just don't see it here, right? But here, negative air ionization, you actually have it. So this is the thing here that you have to be aware of. And that's pretty much it that I want to make like this quick comparison for you. So have a great day and goodbye.